I call this one Diamond Bullseye, and it's kind of cool. It's very simple, but look what happens when you put a bunch of them together. It's quite beautiful. So the bullseye, sometimes I see a black bullseye, sometimes I see a fabric color bullseye. They're all over the place, and I love it. Listen, this is some fabric that we print here at Sewing Parts Online. It's part of our So Creative brand of fabric. Look how pretty this is. This is called Oyster Shell number 22 fabric, and we will put a link to this fabric in the description of this video. I hope you'll try it. I love it, and I love how it goes with the black. It really makes that fabric absolutely pop. This is a great project for a beginner. You know why? Because it's all half square triangles, and we've made a ton of them over all these videos, right? You know how to do an HST. This is basically how we do the Diamond Bullseye quilt block. So if you want to screenshot that, that would be great. These are 3-inch half square triangles. So of course you would start with 3.5-inch squares of fabric to make them, or better yet, do what I did. I did a little cheat. I made 16 of them at one time. And look, 16 of them makes a quilt block. There's a video showing you how to do this. We did this one about a year ago. We're going to link to that video in this description as well. So this that makes this one even more fun and even easier to do. But you know what else? If I take away a lot of these pieces and only leave one of the corners, these 4, that's all you need to learn on this. Because if you take these 4 and piece them together, you get this little 4-piece, right? Simple enough. But look what happens when you put it on the real quilt block. This little 4-piece is 1/4 of this quilt block. If I rotate it, it still fits there. If I rotate it, it still fits here. And again, it still fits here. So this little guy here is the key to this big, beautiful project. So I hope you will try this. I hope you will follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as always, happy sewing.